Yeah. If we can push up far enough to the right, we can hold them off. So I'm thinking I might. I don't know. Yeah. I got you, I got you. Coming into your front, right in front of you. Right in front of you. Did he get him? Did he get him? Pole Star guys in the maze here. He's in the maze. He's straight ahead in this maze here.
Which one?
This one, right, straight ahead. Polish Star guy. Come out of there, dude. All right. He's out, he's out. All right. Push, 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 push. Whoa! Shit! That guy hit right in the face, scared the fuck out of me. Holy shit! Was that my buddy over there that did that shit? Holy fuck!
There was someone like right here at the mouth.
Dude, when you were running through the tunnel, the Polish Star guy came up right in front of you, and I was screaming at you like, "He's right in front of you! He's right in front of you!"
Yeah, I heard him talking. I couldn't get him though. And once I came out, I was screwed. Yeah, you're good.
All right, all right.
Oh yeah, look, there's no one moving.
Wow, I don't know if I just got hit or not. But, oh shit, they are rushing the right side hard. They're coming in hard on through the maze. Over that way. I got him. There's one more over there. Right by that pillar. Watch your left when you get up there. He's right there. He's on the other side of that wall. He's out. They're all still back there too.
Oh, sorry about that. My bad.
Scoot over, dude. Scoot over. Move your head. Move your head. Yeah, just get in the way, dude. He's out. You're good, you're good. That Polish Star dude cannot fucking shoot. Fuck this. Good shot, good shot, good shot. behind you. Go.
On your right, on your left. They're hanging out at that corner there.
They're doing the same thing they were doing last round.
I'm gonna move up to the Thunder. Oh, there we go. Move up to the Thunderbird.
Yep, going. Behind the generator! Oh, he's dead. Never mind. He's all the way back there. Behind. Okay, push.
Yeah, Augie. Oh, come on, Augie. You're not gonna call that?
I'm gonna come on to this side here. Straight ahead.
Fucking call his shit. Why are we calling mine? There's one where I always stand.
You guys get flanked or some shit?
Oh, there's a guy not calling his name.
Fuck this.
Where are they?
They're all the way over there.
Oh, wait, what?
In the back corner, yeah. I just didn't like that spot over there. Hey. I saw him, I was like, is he shooting at me or what? Nothing, I got really confused over there for a second.
Now you just got jabbed in your neck.
Yeah, go. Okay. Right behind you, going low. He's out. Move. Yeah, they're all over there. One right here, right in front of us. I know, I hit him. Go ahead, you're pretty clear. I'm gonna move up here. They're all on the rock wall, dude. Let's fucking flank. Let's go. Where from? Woo! Straight ahead.
Are you out?
No.
Oh, down here.
It was a ricochet. Yeah, right there. Where they at? Oh, there he is. He's it. I got him. Yeah. No, that guy, the guy on the right, he's walking off. Yeah, the big AKD. Where'd my dead rag go?
Dead players coming out.
But we just got to go down this trench here.
Oh, okay, cool.